Okay. So, good morning friends. Now we will discuss further about the general methods of preparation of alcohols. General methods of preparation of alcohols. We discussed the general methods when we were discussing about preparation of alcohols by NaOH or KOH, that is from haloalkanes. We discussed preparation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols by Grignard reagent. Now we are going to see our third topic. There are altogether 5 general methods of preparation of alcohols. So now we are moving forward for our next topic, that is preparation of alcohols by hydrolysis of esters. So how we can prepare alcohol by hydrolyzing esters, or by hydrolyzing esters, how we can prepare alcohols, that we are going to discuss. So let us have, so this is our ester OR dash, and when we are hydrolyzing with water, we are differentiating, or we are showing water in the form of HOH. This is our water molecule. And when we are hydrolyzing ester, so this R dash group combines with OH and forms R dash OH. This is our alcohol molecule. And this hydrogen atom combines with this oxygen atom to form carboxylic acid. This hydrogen atom combined with this oxygen atom, this RC double bond OO, and this H combines with this oxygen atom to form carboxylic acid. And this is our alcohol. This is our water molecule. Okay. So this is our third general methods of preparation of alcohols. So in the third method we have to discuss preparation of alcohol by hydrolysis of ester. This RC double bond OR dash, this is our ester, and we are hydrolyzing it with water, HOH. We have written water in the form of HOH. So this R dash combines with this OH to form R dash OH, which is our alcohol, and this hydrogen combines with this oxygen atom to form RC double bond OH. This is our carboxylic acid. So let us take some examples of this. For example, one example of ester is CH3 C double bond O OC2H5. This is our ester molecule. The name is ethyl ethanoate, or it is also called ethyl acetate, which is its common name. Ethyl ethanoate is IUPAC nomenclature. This is common name. When treated with HOH, when hydrolyzed with water, so this C2H5 combines with OH to form C2H5OH. This is our alcohol, and this hydrogen combines with this oxygen to form CH3COH. So this is our water molecule. This is our alcohol, ethanol, and this is our acetic acid, which is its common name, and IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Okay. So this was our third method of preparation of alcohols by general method, that is by hydrolysis of esters. So when we are hydrolyzing ester with water, that is hydrolysis. So this OH group of water combines with R dash to form alcohol, this R dash OH, which is alcohol molecule, and this hydrogen atom combines with this oxygen atom to form carboxylic acid of the type RC double bond OH. So let us take one example. This is our ester molecule, commonly called ethyl acetate, and IUPAC nomenclature is ethyl ethanoate. When hydrolyzed with water, that is HOH. So this C2H5 combines with OH to form C2H5OH, that is our ethanol molecule, alcohol molecule. And this hydrogen atom combines with this oxygen atom to form CH3COOH, that is our acetic acid molecule, or IPC nomenclature is ethanoic acid. So this was our third general methods of preparation of alcohols. So now we are moving forward for the next general method. This was our third one. Next is fourth one, preparation of alcohols by primary amines, that is 1 degree amines. So how we can prepare alcohol by primary amines? So we have our amine of the type NH2. This is our primary amine, 1 degree amine. It is treated in the presence of nitrous acid, HONO. Actually nitrous acid is HNO2. So we are changing its configuration. We are writing HNO2 in the form of HONO, HNO2. This is our nitric acid. So now what happens is this R group combines with this OH group. This R group combines with this OH group to form ROH. This is our alcohol. Now this hydrogen, this nitrogen atom and this nitrogen atom gets eliminated in the form of nitrogen molecule, and this oxygen combines with two hydrogen atoms to form water molecule. This is our nitrous acid, HNO2, and fine. So this is our nitrous acid molecule, and nitrous acid molecule is obtained when we treat NaNO2 with HCl. When we are treating NaNO2 with HCl, so the products are NaCl and HNO2. So this is our nitric acid which is used in this process. So when we are treating primary amine with nitrous acid, this R group combines with this OH group to form ROH, that is our alcoholic molecule, and this nitrogen atom and this nitrogen atom combines in the form of nitrogen molecule, and this oxygen atom and these two hydrogen atoms get combined in the form of water molecule. Let us take one example. Let us take one example of this type of reaction. For example, like we have CH3 NH2. So this is our primary amine called methanamine. When treated with nitrous acid, that is HNO2, so this CH3 molecule combines with this OH group to form CH3OH, that is our alcoholic molecule, alcohol, and this nitrogen atom and this nitrogen atom are eliminated in the form of nitrogen molecule, and this oxygen atom and these two hydrogen atoms get combined in the form of water molecule. Okay? So this is the method how we can prepare alcohols from primary amines. Whenever we are treating primary amine with nitrous acid, so this R group combines with this OH group in the form of ROH, that is our alcohol molecule. This nitrogen atom and this nitrogen atom link together and forms nitrogen molecule, and this oxygen atom and these two hydrogen atoms get linked together in the form of water molecule. So like we took one example of this. Let us take primary amine as methanamine and treating it with nitrous acid. So this CH3 group combines with OH group to form alcohol, CH3OH, methanol. These two nitrogen atoms get linked in the form of nitrogen molecule, and this oxygen molecule of atom and these two hydrogen atoms gets combined in the form of water molecule. So this is our nitrous acid again. Okay. So these we saw 4 methods of preparation of alcohols by general method. First one was preparation by haloalkanes. Second was by Grignard reagent. Third was from hydrolysis of esters. Fourth one is from primary amines. And now we are going to discuss about the fifth general method of preparation of alcohols, that is from carbonyl compounds. So that is the fifth general method of preparation. So we are going to move forward to our next topic. So fifth method is preparation of alcohol